Scientech presents Scientech 2480 Pressure Measurement and Safety Workstation. Hello everyone. As you might know, that process control is a vital concept of instrumentation and control engineering which drives industrial growth. So, in this video, I am going to introduce Scientech 2480 Pressure Measurement and Safety Workstation, which allows users to understand various pressure measuring instruments and pressure operated components like pressure gauge, pressure transmitter, pressure vessel, pneumatic single acting cylinder and double acting cylinder, hydraulic single acting cylinder and double acting cylinder, solenoid valves, hydropneumatic pumps, air compressor and hydraulic power pack. Scientech 2480 comprises of latest components which reflect the latest technological innovations in this field. Following are the features of Scientech 2480: heavy duty workstation and electrical control panel, dead weight pressure gauge tester, dashboard software for supervisory control of the process, self-containing bench mounting arrangement, easy to operate and self-explanatory system frame with caster wheel arrangement for easy movement, enhanced electrical safety considerations, and PC-based data logging and analysis. For details of technical specifications, kindly go through the catalog present on our website. Now let us look at the setup of Scientech 2480. This is the indicator palette lamp which indicates whether the workstation is on or off. There you can see the tower light. When the red light glows, it indicates that the workstation is on, and when the green light glows, it indicates that the compressor is on. Here you can see an MCB which acts as a switch as well as a fuse that protects the workstation from high voltage. Here we have an energy meter which measures various components like current in amperes, power in kilowatts and voltage in volts. These are the 4 input buttons which have respective functions of start, stop, compressor and solenoid. And here we have 3 output palette lights and an audio output. This is the data acquisition system with Ethernet interface, which has 8 digital inputs, 8 digital outputs and 8 analog inputs. This is the pressure vessel. It has 2 pressure gauges and a pressure transmitter. This pressure vessel also has a safety valve. Whenever the pressure exceeds the tank capacity, the safety valve lifts up and drains out the excess pressure. These 2 pressure valves are used to measure the pressure through these 2 pressure gauges. The output current of the pressure transmitter, which is 4 to 20 milliamperes, is displayed on this current display. This is the motorized control valve which is internally connected to the workstation. Whenever it is connected to forward, the motorized control valve opens, and when connected to reverse, it closes. This is the solenoid valve which is electrically turned on and off. Whenever 230 volts is applied to it, the solenoid valve opens, and when it is removed, the valve closes. This is the other unit associated with Scientech 2480. Which is the electro-pneumatic hydraulic system. The pneumatic part consists of air-operated components and the hydraulic part consists of oil-operated components. First of all, let us look at the pneumatic part. Here we have 2 cylinders, the single-acting cylinder SAC and the double-acting cylinder DAC. For SAC, the pressure needs to be applied only single time to move the piston in forward direction, and when the pressure is removed, the piston goes back in reverse direction. For DAC, the pressure needs to be applied to cause both forward and reverse motion. Here we have 2 solenoid valves. The 5x2 solenoid valve stands for 5 ports and 2 positions, which is used for DAC, and the 3x2 solenoid valve stands for 3 ports and 2 positions, which is used for SAC. This is a manifold which acts as a pressure divider. As you can see, here it has one input which is divided into multiple outputs. This is the hydropneumatic pump which converts pneumatic pressure into boosted hydraulic pressure. Here you can clearly see that the cross-sectional area has decreased from here to here, which means that the pressure has increased, which can be measured on this pressure gauge. This pump has a gain of 6. That is, when we apply 5 kg per centimeter square of input, we get 30 kg per centimeter square of output. At last, we can see the filter regulator lubricator FRL unit, which is used to filter the moisture present in the compressor air, regulate it, and to provide lubrication to the entire workstation. Now let us look at the hydraulic part. Here also we have an SAC and a DAC, which is similar to the SAC and DAC of pneumatic part. These are the 2 solenoid valves. This solenoid valve has 2 coils, which is used to operate the DAC, and this solenoid valve has 1 coil, which is used to operate the SAC. When 24 volt and ground is connected to these 2 ports, it causes forward motion of the piston, and when connected to these 2 ports, it causes reverse motion of the piston. This is the hand lever valve, which is used to manually set the pressure of oil inside the pipe. This lever is used to turn it on and off, and this is the regulator. These 2 pipes present here are the pressure pipe and the tank pipe. The pressure pipe provides oil to the system, and the tank pipe returns the oil back to the hydraulic power pack. This is the hydraulic power pack which provides oil to this system. This is the air compressor used to supply air to this system. Another unit associated with this workstation is the dead weight pressure gauge tester. It is used to calibrate the pressure gauge. Following are the application areas of Scientech 2480: automotive industry, semiconductor manufacturing, steel plant, hydraulic power press, and pharmaceuticals. So, if you like this product, do get it installed in your respective application areas. Thank you for watching this video. For more details, you can call us, email us, or visit our website. Also, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.